Hey guys, it's Sofa here, and we got this shipment today. It's Club Squishy Surprise. This is the second box that we've gotten since these are for the ones from the last box. So let's just get on with opening this. I have not looked in here yet, so I have no idea what to expect, except for squishies and streamers. Oh my goodness, I'm actually really excited about this. Oh my god, these are so cute. Oh, this is so cute. This is a nice little card right here. What's in here? Oh, it's like those jelly little squishies. It's like a little hedgehog. It's so cute. What a great start to this. There's like a bunch of streamers. The cats look like that. Ooh, that's cool. Yeah, this is for phones. This is really cool. It's nice.
What does it say?
It says California Republic. That's actually really nice. Maybe the company's in California? Now, let's see this squishy right here. Oh, this looks like a unicorn emoji. Just a lot more pastel. Good quality as always. It's a really nice unicorn, like with the golden horn and everything. That's really nice. Now this one is the definition of kawaii. Okay, if I even know how to open this. Just need to get the sticker off. There we go. Oh, this is really soft off the bat.
What do they smell?
It has like a squishy smell.
Oh.
It smells like a squishy. Oh, that's satisfying. It's so cute. It's like a little panda and a little ice cream cone with some strawberries and a cherry maybe, and some sprinkles. Now, one of my friends had these squishies. It's like, these must be like, I've heard like these like really popular squishies, like these lemon ones. I'm struggling to open these right now. Yeah, there we go. Just don't care about the package. Right there. That is a good squishy. That's a nice smell. And last but not least, these little, they're so cute. Similar to this one, it's just more pastel-y. It's so cute. It's holding an ice cream cone.
Does it smell good?
It smells nice. It smells like a regular squishy. And it's like a sheep.
Mm.
It's a little ice cream sheep. Wow. That's the... So we got
4 big sizes. Huh?
4 big squishies. Jumbo squishies. These little jelly one right here. And this little kickstand holder for phones with a bear on it. This little letter. So that's it. I really enjoyed this box. It was really nice. I can't wait to like squish these squishies. So that's all for today. Bye.